Can you perform advanced AI image editing on just an 8 GB GPU? Today, we'll install Qwen-Edit 2509 GGUF in ComfyUI, and I'll show you how to run it smoothly, even on low VRAM setups. This September, Qwen are pleased to introduce Qwen-Image Edit 2509, the monthly iteration of Qwen-Image Edit. The main improvements of Qwen-Image Edit 2509 include multi-image editing support, enhanced single-image consistency, native support for ControlNet. Let's review what's mig. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary models for Qwen. The model link I left in the comment section, you can access and download. Then we will move the downloaded files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Now we will run ComfyUI. Then we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. Then we reselect the models on the node according to the downloaded model. Now we will upload the image to run Qwen-Edit. The result is pretty good. I will try another photo. This time, the result is better. I will continue to try other photos. The result is better than last time. I will try to put the character in the background. And that's it. You've successfully installed Qwen-Edit 2509 GGUF in ComfyUI and performed image editing on a low-VRAM GPU. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.